Hi guys, welcome to SlabWare. My name is Antonio. So for this video, we will be talking about blueprints inside the drawing. So let's go to the tutorial.
Today we're going to talk about blueprints in the new drawing. But before we start, check out this new update, the tutorials page inside the new drawing, with quick access to all the tutorial videos about the new drawing available. By clicking it, you'll be redirected to a page where all available videos are listed, so you can easily watch them and clear up any questions. You can also filter videos by category, like File, PDF, or Tools. And inside each category, navigate through subcategories, such as Materials, Borders, Corners, and more. Now, whenever you need it, you can go to the File menu and you'll find the Tutorials option to access it. Now, let's move on to Blueprints. You'll find this tool in the top right corner, next to Templates and Settings. It's the image icon right here. The Blueprints tool lets you upload JPEG or PNG images, for example, a kitchen floor plan, and use it as a base to trace your countertop layout with the Draw tool without any hassle. To start adding one, click the plus icon. Then click Choose File to upload your image and give it a name so it's easy to identify later. Once you click Save, your image will load into the drawing area. Here we go! Our image is already loaded, and you can start tracing over it until you get the exact shape with the correct measurements. All uploaded images are automatically saved, so you can access them anytime in your future projects. You can edit it anytime by clicking the pencil icon. You can also delete it by clicking the trash icon next to it. In the Click Drag Here to Edit option, you'll find some useful controls. You can adjust the opacity to make the image lighter or darker. In my case, I'll keep not too bright and not too dark, so it's easy to see while working with the Draw tool. You can also rotate the image left or right in case you want to align it vertically or horizontally. And of course, you can delete it at any time. Once you've saved an image in the Blueprints tool, you can reinsert it into your drawing without needing to upload it again. And if you hover your mouse over the image here on the side, you can preview it and easily identify which one it is. This icon in the bottom right corner of the screen is used to control the image scale. You can resize it by simply clicking and dragging with the left mouse button. Let's use the Draw tool to trace our image. For the countertop and island shown in the image, we can choose between two options, square or points. With the square option, you can set the square size and settings beforehand, or simply click and drag with your mouse to draw, then adjust the measurements manually afterward. The points option lets you trace the outline manually by clicking point by point, creating straight lines between each click. Perfect for precise shapes, though it doesn't draw curves. If you'd like to learn more about how the Draw tool works, make sure to watch our tutorial linked in the card above. On the horizontal side, it's 13 feet, so enter 156 inches. For this vertical, it's 8 feet 10 inches, which equals 106 inches. That didn't line up. Why? Because we didn't select the vertex that should move along with the main one when we adjusted the measurements. To fix that, we need to enter the value and click the orange button to switch the vertex side. Now it's connected to the bottom line, the correct one that will move this part of the shape properly. Back to the scale icon, the one that looks like a small umbrella. I'll reduce the image scale until it fits perfectly over my countertop shape. I can move the shape around and resize it gradually until everything is aligned correctly. But that's totally up to you. If you prefer to keep the image side by side with your sketch, you can do that. If you'd rather delete it right after drawing, that's fine too. Let's draw the island now. I'll use the square option from the Draw tool. The horizontal side is 7 feet 6 inches, which equals 90 inches. While drawing my shape, I accidentally created two splits on the top line, so I'll delete them. The vertical side measures 3 feet 4 inches, which equals 40 inches. I'm going to resize my image a bit more to align it better with the countertop and island shapes I've created. I'll also show you that you can add cutouts just like the ones in the image. For example, I'll place a cooktop and a double bowl sink, and we'll test them together. I'll start by adding a cooktop, and I won't modify anything. I'll just set its value to 250 and click Save. I'll place it here, and with the help of the pointer tool, I'll adjust its size until it matches the blueprint image shown in my drawing area. You can adjust it by dragging the vertices or by changing the measurement values, just like we did with the shapes. Now, I'll add a custom sink that I don't have in my inventory. I'll select the double bowl rectangle option, add just one faucet hole, and set the price to $250 as well. Click Save, and done. Notice that when you hover your mouse over the outside of the cutout, a green dotted line appears. This lets you move the sink and the faucet hole together. And if you have another cutout and want to rotate both together, you can do that too. I will do the same with the sink as I did with my cooktop, resizing it through the vertices using the pointer tool. To move the faucet hole by itself, use the Add Cutout tool when it allows you to move the hole without distorting it. With the pointer tool, you can stretch its arcs and adjust the shape as needed. Back in Sketch, the lines of your shapes become more visible. After you've finished and used all the tools available for your project inside the new drawing, you can click here again to delete the image from your drawing area, but it will still remain saved in the Blueprints tab. That's all for today, folks. See you in the next tutorial.
I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any doubts, you can contact the support team. And if you are new at SlabWare, you can go inside slabware.com and start a free trial right now.